proud of it, okay? Okay, the eyes, the lips, the eyebrows. Look at the glow. Look at the glow, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Journeys with Jodi. I am Jodi. If you're new here, welcome. And today I decided to bring you all a makeup look inspired by the national colors of Anguilla, as it is Anguilla Day. So happy Anguilla Day to all, and I hope you all enjoy this video as much as I did creating it, okay? So before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite part of this look and what else you want to see if you have anything in particular. Okay, hit that little bell button so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Going in the Carnival XL Palette by BPerfect and Stacey. So this is what that palette looks like, and I'll be going into the shade Soft Spot. So that is this shade right here, and I'm using my M330 brush. So this shade, I'm just putting it above my crease and out to the edge of my eyebrow. So for the next shade, I'm going into Mood. So that is this color right here. And I'm using my M506 brush. So it's a smaller brush. And I'm going into my crease and again out to the edge of my eyebrow. Now I'm going back in with the first brush, not applying any more color, and I'm just tapping it over the edge. Now I'm going into the Carnival 3 palette, Love Tahiti palette. So for the first shade, I'll be using Sundown, and I'll be using my M562 brush. Now I'm going into the color Mango. This is a very bright mango, but okay. And I'm using my M514 brush. And here I'm just adding it to the top of the first shade, Sundown. And I'm using windshield wiper motions. Now in this same palette, we're going into the shade The Deep. And I'm using the same M506 brush. And again, we're going in the crease, out to the edge and back in. Now I'm going to use the same brush that I used to apply my eyeshadow base. This is AOA Studio brush. It's a concealer brush, and I'm just going to go and make a small crease. Nothing too big, nothing too sharp. Now I'm going to use my Real Techniques Expert Concealer brush just to tap away the excess. Now I'm getting my white from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place. It's not really white, but it's gonna work for me. The name of the shade is Zaz. And I'm just using a random chubby brush. And I'm going back in with the same brush that I used to apply the Sundown shade. just to blend the edges of the white and the orange. And then the brush from Mango. And now for the corner, just to blend in the white and the blue, I'm going back in with the M506 brush. And it doesn't have to be too perfect because as you can see, I did go in with some glitters. So for my two glitters, I'll be getting these two that I got from the Facelab. And I'm going to apply some glue. I just have some Duo Lash Glue. And I'm going to apply it on the areas where I want the glitter. So I'm first going in with the lighter glitter. And I'm just tapping it into place. Then I tap into the darker glitter. And I just place it over the lighter one. So now I'm going to use this silverish goldish glitter, mostly on the silver side, that I got from Facelab as well. And I'm going to place this over the white. So I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and I'm just going to spray my brush. And then I tap into the glitter. And voila. So what I did not mention was that I already recorded this look. The first time I finished my eyes and I tried to put on my eyelashes, and it was a hot mess. So now here I go again. Here I go again, trying my best to apply these lashes without ruining the look. So I'll see y'all in the next clip once they're applied properly. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so now I got my lashes on. Mission success. So now to get the glitters off of my face, I'll be using this spoolie. And I'm just passing it over the areas where a lot of the glitter is. I won't get all off, but I will get a good amount off, as these glitters are very fine. Now that I've done my best trying to get it, I'm just gonna use a wipe. Also, this wipe will be used to sharpen the edge of the eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm using 340 and 355 mixed together. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Instapop face brush to blend it all in. For concealer, I'll be using the Juvias Place concealers, and I'm using the shades 8, 10, and 12. Normally I only use 2, which is 8 and 10, but I wanted a little more highlight today, so I added 12. So I'm also applying my concealer a little differently today. Just trying out something new. So we'll see how it goes. I like. So now I'm going in with my foundation brush. We're just going along the edges of the areas that we just concealed, just making sure it is blended, and I'm not adding extra foundation to the brush. So for my setting powder, I'll be using a mixture of the Ben Nye translucent setting powder in the shade Sienna and the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush. And I'm just applying a light layer, a very thin layer. For my contour, I'll be using the Black Radiance Contour Palette. So I'll be going into this first shade. Yeah, this palette just... And I'm using this brush, small brush, and I'm just making small circles from my ear to my smile line. Then I'm taking it and I'm going to my forehead. And I'm not coming too far down. Then I take it along the sides of my nose. Yes, it might look kind of scary right now, but we'll sort it out. Then I go below my nose. And right above. And now to blend it all out, I go back in with my foundation brush. And we're just tapping along the edges. For my nose, I'm going to use a sponge. Now would you look at that, while I'm doing this look for Anguilla Day, a turtle dove appears at my window. Okay, for my blush, I'll be using the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. You all know how I get done with this palette if you saw my previous video. Using Neo and Toby, and I'm using my Real Techniques powder brush. Y'all, I'm really feeling this look so far. So now we're going to do my first highlight, and I'm going back into the Black Radiance palette, and I'm using this shade right here. And with my M500 brush, I'm just going to slightly go along my cheek, applying this highlight. I also go on my nose and my Cupid's bow. This look is coming together. I'm loving it. So now I'm going to finish up the eyes. And I'm not sure exactly how I want to go about doing this. So I went in with this NYX Jumbo pencil, this white NYX Jumbo pencil, and I lined my waterline. And I'm going to use some of the P.Louise base. So guys, for the under eye, I'll be going back into the Carnival 3 palette, Love Tahiti. And I'll be going into the shade The Deep. Can y'all see it? Then I go back into the shades Sundown and Mango, and I'm using an M210 brush. And I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. Now to set my face, I'll be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So now I'm going to do my second highlight using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. And we're going back over the same areas. Now I'm just using a smaller brush. And I'm also going to go by my brow bone. And for my lips, I'm going to use Trendsetter, and I'm going to use Bite Me. So I'm going to use Trendsetter on the outsides. So instead of Bite Me, I'm going to use Studded. And I'm going in with this NYX Butter Gloss, and I'm putting this on the inside of my lips. So I could have stopped here, but I think I want to put a little bit of gloss over this look. I hope I don't ruin it, but we're gonna see. Now let me tell y'all, this look is giving, okay? It is giving that. It is giving that element, that wow factor, okay? It is beyond extraordinary, okay? This is Anguilla. It is beyond, y'all, this is beyond, way beyond extraordinary. The way how the blues, the orange, the white, everything came together, the glitters. Yes, this is it. I love it. And having to record this again, as I said, I recorded it before and my eyelashes just weren't working with me to the point where it messed up the eye look. So being able to record this again, like, and it coming out so bomb. Yeah. Tell me what's your favorite part of this look in the comments down below. Let me know. Let your girl know, because I'm proud of it. Okay, the eyes, the lips, the eyebrows. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Okay, yes, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I did not use many different products, but I tried using different techniques, using different tools. So I hope you all were able to see and notice the difference, if there were any differences. So yes guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, share with your family and friends, and I wish you all a happy Anguilla day.